Back children to our part 2 video, in which today we are going to do question answers of EVS chapter number 10, that is plant world. So children, I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you parts of a plant with their uses. So I hope you all have understood all the parts of the plant, which I have given 4 parts and their uses very clearly and very nicely. You all have understood it. If there is any problem, you can ask me through message. Okay children, so I want you all to complete this assignment first till 10.3 and then move towards your next assignment, that is question and answers. Okay, so as you all know that tomorrow is Sunday, so you will get time to complete all your work. So I want you all to complete this work till Sunday, and make sure children that Monday is a holiday on account of Janmashtami, but on Tuesday only you will be getting one more assignment, and after that your schools are reopening after a long time. So I want you all to come, those who are coming to school, make sure that all your work should be completed. Okay, सबका अपना काम कंप्लीट होना चाहिए, पूरा काम अच्छे से कंप्लीट सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. एंड दोज हु आर न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट यू ऑल to just bring all your notebooks and books, and then I will check whatever the work is missing in your notebooks. I will be giving you to complete it. Okay, so let's get started with part 2 video, that is of question and answers. So let's get started children. Listen to it very carefully, and I want you all to listen and watch this video carefully, because in this video I will be explaining you the question answers. So first of all I will explain you the question and then the answer. So I want you all to concentrate on it nicely. Okay, so first of all what you will write, and you will start this exercise also from a new page. Clear to you all? So what you will do, first of all write down part E, question and answers, in the first line as heading. Then your question number 1 is name the different types of plants. What is this question asking? हमें different types of plants जो होते हैं उनके names यहाँ पे बताने हैं. Is that clear? So children, in this question you have to write the different types of plants. So what are the different types of plants which we have learnt in our chapter? First is trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Second is shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. And the third one is herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Now what is the difference between all these three? Trees are very big and strong plants. ट्रीज़ कौन से प्लांट्स होते हैं? जो बहुत बड़े और स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. श्रब्स कौन से प्लांट्स होते हैं? दे आर स्मॉल प्लांट्स विद वुडी स्टेम्स. ओके, दे हैव वुडी स्टेम्स. उनकी स्टेम कैसी होती है? वुडी होती है और स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. ओके, स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वुडी स्टेम्स. देन कमिंग टू द थर्ड पार्ट, दैट इज हर्ब्स. हर्ब्स क्या होते हैं? दे हैव herbs are very small plants and they have soft and green stems. herbs की stem green color की होती है और they are very soft, easily breakable also. आप अगर हल्का से हाथ से भी तोड़ोगे तो वो टूट सकती है. So trees, shrubs and herbs are the different types of plants. trees के example क्या है? नीम tree, banyan tree, mango tree. okay, shrubs के example क्या है? As you all have listened to my last video which I gave you yesterday, first video, in which I have explained you the by giving you live examples. So I told you that shrubs, the examples of shrubs are rose, tulsi, okay, and henna. Then coming to the third, herbs. herbs के example कौन सा है? The most ईजी एग्जाम्पल इज ग्रास, जो घास कहलाते हैं, जिसको हम घास बोलते हैं. दैट इज वेरी स्मॉल प्लांट एंड देयर स्टेम इज green in color and they are very soft. okay, so your first answer is trees, shrubs and herbs. okay, and question number 2, what are trees? now coming to the question number 2, that is what are trees. यहाँ हमें बताना है trees क्या है. so you all know, answer is big and strong plants are called trees. okay, trees क्या है? जो बहुत बड़े और strong plants हैं उनको हम trees बोलते हैं. now coming to the third question, here what you have to do, you have to give 2 examples of trees, shrubs and herbs. हमें यहाँ पे टू एग्जाम्पल्स किसके देने हैं, ट्रीज़ के 2 एग्जाम्पल्स, श्रब्स के 2 एग्जाम्पल्स और हर्ब्स के 2 एग्जाम्पल. वेरी इजी, यू ऑल हैव लर्नड इट. Trees के 2 example. First of all, you will write down the heading trees, then put a small dash, and then you will write down 2 examples, mango, comma, neem. So the spelling of mango is mango, mango, and neem, neem. Clear to you all? Then part B is shrubs. So you will write here shrubs, put a small dash, and then write rose and tulsi. ROSE, rose, comma, TULSI, tulsi. Now children, I want to tell you all that tulsi is a medicinal plant also. That means tulsi से हम medicines भी बनाते हैं. नीम और तुलसी के जो plants होते हैं उनसे हम medicines भी बनाते हैं. Okay, so tulsi and rose are examples of shrubs. Then coming to the next part, that is part C, herbs. So what are herbs? What are the examples of herbs? Grass and wheat. GRASS, grass, comma, WHEAT, wheat, means गेहूँ. Okay, so herbs के 2 examples कौन से हो गए, grass और wheat. So I hope you all have understood till here. Now coming to the 4th question, name the parts of a plant. अब हमें यहाँ पे जो पार्ट्स ऑफ अ प्लांट होते हैं उनके सिर्फ नेम्स लिखने हैं. सो व्हाट आर दोज पार्ट्स ऑफ अ प्लांट? आंसर इज, फर्स्ट वन इज रूट, ROOT, root, then stem, 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 then branches, 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 then leaves, 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 then flowers, 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 and fruits, FRUITS, fruits. So all these are parts of a plant. ये parts of a plant सारे यही होते हैं. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. रूट, स्टेम, ब्रांचेस, लीव्स, फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स. क्लियर टू यू ऑल? Concentrate on each and every spelling here. ROOT, root, STEM, stem, BRANCHES, branches, LEAVES, leaves, FLOWERS, flowers, and FRUITS, fruits. Clear to you all? Now coming to the last question, that is the 5th question. What are herbs? अब हमें यहाँ पे herbs बताने हैं क्या है. So your answer is, small plants with soft and green stems are called herbs. जो स्मॉल प्लांट्स होते हैं, बहुत छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं, उनकी स्टेम कैसी होती है, सॉफ्ट एंड ग्रीन, उनको हम हर्ब्स कहते हैं. So that is all. By this children we have completed with our chapter number 10, that is plant world. So I hope you all have understood this chapter, this topic very nicely. Everything is clear to you all. So if you want, I will just repeat all these 5 question answers once again. So listen to it carefully, those who have missed it. So your question number 1 is, name the different types of plants. अलग अलग types के जो plants होते हैं हमें उनके नाम बताने हैं. Your answer is trees, shrubs and herbs. Clear? Then question number 2, what are trees? Trees क्या होते हैं? Answer is, big and strong plants are called trees. Then question number 3, give 2 examples of trees, shrubs and herbs. इन तीनों के हमें 2 examples देने हैं. So first one is trees, examples are mango, neem. Second is shrubs, examples are rose and tulsi. Third one is herbs, and examples are grass and wheat. And question number 4th, name the parts of a plant. Answer is root, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. And last question, question number 5, what are herbs? Answer is, small plants with soft and green stems are called herbs. So that is all children. I hope you all have understood it very clearly. Now you have 2 days to complete this work. So today and tomorrow is Sunday, so you can complete it. Monday is also a holiday, so you can complete all these exercises in your notebooks and then start learning also. So till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.